Hi guys, today I'll be showing you how to make Biko. The ingredients that we need are 3 cans of coconut milk or coconut cream, 2 cups of sticky rice, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 2 cups of brown sugar. First thing we need to do is to wash the rice twice, then add 2 cups of water to the sticky rice. Cook this the same way as you're cooking your rice. So I just gonna put it in the rice cooker. So while the sticky rice is cooking, we will prepare the coconut curd. So in a pot, place 1 can of coconut cream. Then just let this boil first before stirring. Once it started boiling, mix this once or twice. Then let it boil again. This is what it looks like after about 7 minutes of cooking. The curd is now forming. At this point, we will continue to stir this so that it will cook evenly. After about 3 minutes, this is what it looks like, and this is now ready. So we will just set this aside and let it cool down. This is our finished product. Brush oil onto the pan. In this video, I use the oil that we get from the coconut curd, and this is what the sticky rice looks like after cooking. Now add 2 cans of coconut cream. That is 800 ml of coconut in total over high heat. Add the sugar and the salt. Then just mix this well until the sugar is dissolved. Then let it boil. The coconut milk is now boiling. We can add the sticky rice and mix this. The liquid seems to be quite a lot, but the sticky rice will absorb all of this. So just continue mixing this. This is what it looks like after 5 minutes. And then after 10 to 15 minutes. All in all, I cooked this for about 20 minutes. So this is what it looks like when it's done. So we will transfer this into our prepared pan. Then just flatten this and make a smooth surface. Then add the coconut curd that we prepared before. It is important that to let this cool completely so it will firm up and it would be easier to cut. So now I'm just gonna show you what it looks like once it's cooled down and ready for cutting. And this is the finished product. I hope you give them a try. It's really easy to do. It's just a little bit time consuming, but it's really delicious.